Muna maku sannu da zuwa wannan program. Kuma muna maku addu'a cewa Allah ya kai ku gida lafiya. Aye yaro. Aye yaro.
That is the arrival of Our Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Ogun State, Engineer Noimo Salako Oyedele, who just stepped into the hall, as we have a number of First Ladies from across Nigeria here at the June 12 Cultural Center. You know, Abeokuta is, hosting many dignitaries, important personalities today. And, this event is marking the Southwest Zonal launch of the National Community Food Bank Program. We have distinguished guests, traditional rulers, government officials, development partners, and other stakeholders have gathered for an event that places food security and nutrition at the center of the conversation on human development. The Southwest launch is, as a part of wider national rollout of the program, which is designed to strengthen community-based response to food insecurity and malnutrition. And today, Ogun State becomes the meeting point for this important conversation, bringing together the federal government, the state government, health institutions, agricultural finance institutions, traditional institutions, and community stakeholders. The message here is clear. Tackling hunger and malnutrition requires collaboration, coordination, and importantly, action that reaches the grassroots. And as we await the arrival of the main, the center point of today's event, that's Our Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Let me also bring to your notice that we've had here the arrival of important dignitaries, including Our Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Ogun State, Engineer Noimo Salako Oyedele, the former Deputy Governors of Ogun State, Chief Mrs. Yetunde Ononuga, Alaja Salmot Badru Makojuola, and several of important dignitaries are here, former House of Rep members. Name it. We are indeed having a number of personalities in Ogun State gathered to be part of this very important occasion.
Mama ye,
Aye mama ya bala.
mama ye,
Aye mama, aye mama.
mama ye,
Aye mama da bala.
mama ye,
Aye mama, aye mama.
mama ye,
Aye mama da.
mama ye,
Aye mama, aye mama.
mama ye,
Aye mama la bala.
mama aye mama, aye mama labo labo. Cha 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 cha. Nigeria kwanu, Nigeria kwanu. Olúyẹ̀mí kò sóde. Ọ̀rẹ́ bịarije bịakele na ndegwu na-abịanụ obodo. Kwanu! Ọ̀rẹ́ bịarije bịakele na ndegwu na-abịanụ. Adegwu ana-ememe, ndegwu na-ekele. Adegwu ana-ememe, ndegwu na-ekele. Ọ̀rẹ́ bịarije bịakele na ndegwu na-abịanụ. Ọ̀rẹ́ bịarije bịakele na ndegwu na-abịanụ. Adegwu ana-ememe, ndegwu na-ekele. Adegwu ana-ememe, ndegwu na-ekele. Anyị abịa anyị bịala egwu. anya bia ayi bialego ego ya maka udo kaji ni bia udo udo de nunu anya bia ayi bialego ego ya maka udo kaji ni bia udo udo de nunu aya bia ayi bialego ego ya maka udo kaji ni bia udo udo de aya bia ayi bialego ego ya maka udo kaji ni bia udo udo de nono iya de maria mego iya de maria mego ego ya kalamo ego wa cha igbo kwanu indigbo kwazonu uwa maramali emego ego ya kalamo ọba tó bí okun Ṣùáìbù káàbọ̀ Ṣùáìbù káàbọ̀ ọmọ abílẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ kílẹ̀ lanu káàbọ̀ o Ṣùáìbù ọmọ abílẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ kílẹ̀ lanu káàbọ̀ o ọba tó bí okun ọba tó bu ara ọba tá a máa wá màrá kwa nwa ọba tá ihe dị mma oge ji na-eme mma akpọlie Chukwu ebube ihe ebube mee ọba tó bi eze abata ọba tó bu ọba tá riwa anya ga-anụ akwa nwa ọba tá ihe dị mma oge ji na-eme mma akpọlie Chukwu ebube ihe ebube ubunuwe melu aya ubunuwe melu aya ubunuwe melu ubunuwe melu chimo ae Chineke ne Chineke igadigio Ubunuwe melu ubunuwe melu ubunuwe melu le ubunuwe melu Chineke mo eze abata onyama.
You're welcome again to Ogun State Television here from the June 12th Cultural Center, Kuto, Abeokuta. This historic event here, a program of national intervention focusing particularly on vulnerable children.
Welcome.
This is talking about the launch of a special program, a special intervention program, particularly targeting pregnant women, lactating mothers, and other vulnerable households, with the Bank of Agriculture playing an important role in the food bank supply chain and fund management structure. You know, this event is one that talks about the food security, nutrition, healthcare, human capital, community resilience, and national development. The National Community Food Bank Program is intended to take nutrition food closer to vulnerable Nigerians and strengthening community level systems for tackling hunger and malnutrition. We are here at the June 12th Cultural Center, Kuto, Abeokuta, gathered prominent Nigerians, politicians, the House of Representatives, serving and former. We had former deputy governors, you know, dignitaries from all walks of life, and a number of first ladies from across the southwest zone of Nigeria. led by our First Lady, Her Excellency, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, who is our August visitor in August. We are actually awaiting the arrival of Our Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu here at the June 12 Cultural Center, Kuto, Abeokuta. You're watching us live from the main center of the event. Yes, we have here the wife of the Osun State Governor seated, and very many other, wives of governors from across the southwestern part of Nigeria, the first ladies from the southern part of Nigeria, here to be part of this very important event.
Chineke na Chineke na Chineke na.
I also want to warmly welcome a member of the National Working Committee of the All Progressives Congress, one who has represented his people at the Ogun State House of Assembly, but this time around at a higher capacity, doing wonderfully well.
Welcome.
Honorable Tolu Bankole, you're recognized.
Welcome.
A former Deputy Speaker with the Ogun State House of Assembly, Honorable Tola Banjo TB, you're duly recognized. Distinguished Senator Leko Mustafa, we recognize your presence here today. You are welcome as well.
Welcome. Oluseun is saying you are welcome. Welcome.
Quickly, may I recognize the distinguished Senator representing Ogun Central Senatorial District.
He said we should welcome everybody. Oh. I welcome our first ladies from the east, from the north, from the south. As you go, welcome, welcome. Adedakwa is saying you are welcome, welcome, welcome. Oluseun is saying you are welcome, welcome, welcome.
Also seated, it is with delight that we welcome
Our
the coordinating
SSGs.
minister. Can we bring it down a little bit? Cultural troop, can we bring it down? The coordinating minister of Health and Social Welfare, Federal Republic of Nigeria, welcome to the Gateway State, Professor Mohammed Ali Pate, CON. Thank you very much for joining us here. I also like to recognize the Honorable Minister of Agriculture and Food Security, Senator Abubakar Kyari, CON. Thank you for being here as well. I'm not leaving out the Honorable Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare, a distinguished son of the soil. He is Dr. Isiaq Adekunle Salako. You're warmly welcome. Honorable Minister of State for Agriculture and Food Security, Senator Dr. Aliyu Sabi Abdullahi, CON. You're welcome to the Gateway State. And of course, the Executive Director and Chief Executive Officer of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, NPHDA, Dr. Mui Aina, welcome to Ogun State. The head of service, Ogun State, Mr. Olanrewaju Eskil Saka MNI, you're recognized and you are warmly welcome as well. Honorable Minister, Humanitarian Affairs, Honorable Dr. Bernard Modu Mohamed Doro, thank you very much for being here today.
Check, check, check. Check, check.
You are welcome. State. Hey, welcome to Ogun State. You are welcome to Southwest. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome to Ogun State. Hi. You are welcome. You are welcome to. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome to Ogun State.
You are welcome. You are welcome to Southwest. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome to Ogun State.
You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome to Southwest. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome to Ogun State.
Check, check, check.
We welcome you once again to the June 12 Cultural Center, Kuto, Abeokuta, at the ongoing event, the launch of National Community Food Bank Program, happening live at the June 12 Cultural Center, Kuto, Abeokuta. My name is Moreni Keji Shobaloju. As we await the arrival of Her Excellency, the #1 woman in the state, in Nigeria, I beg your pardon, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, Her Excellency Senator Oluremi Tinubu, CON, the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. When she arrives here, this will mark the commencement, the formal commencement of the main ceremony at the June 12 Cultural Center. Her Excellency have been to various parts of the state commissioning projects done by His Excellency about the hospital, the Muhammadu Buhari estate, and as the intervention as a designed and designated in the office of Senator Oluremi.
No doubt the Gateway State is playing host to many dignitaries that we can refer to as movers and shakers in our society. We are pleased to have with us today the wife of the Honorable. Permit me to also recognize Princess Sandra Oladele Williams, the Zonal Coordinator, Southwest Torchbearers. You're warmly welcome to the Gateway State. Of course, thank you very much, and Honorable Tolu Bankole. The T's, the two T's are here. Tola Banjo TB, Tolu Bankole TB. The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Bank of Agriculture, welcome to the Gateway State, Ayo Shotiri. The First Lady, Abia State, Mrs. Pretty happy having you around with us today. You're most welcome.
Community Food Bank program is intended to take nutritious food closer to vulnerable Nigerians and strengthening community level systems for tackling hunger and malnutrition. The program is being implemented through the collaboration involving the Office, Bank of Agriculture, and other stakeholders. This gives you, the understanding of what we are talking about here today and the essence of the gathering here at the June 12 Cultural Center, Kuto, Abeokuta. The program is simply not about healthcare and well-being of the vulnerable Nigerians. Automatically, we are going to bridge the gap between malnutrition in the state and indeed across the country, as we also need to commend the effort of the Adla Ahmed Tinubu, who is also working tirelessly to see that every sector is receiving attention